First of all, let's talk about linear function transformation. We know the apparent function of a linear function is y equals x or f of x equals x. We will use the following words to describe the transformation: less steep, steeper, higher y-intercept, lower y-intercept, shift c units up, shift c units down. And also the slope will be changed into negative and so on. 1. G of x equals 3f of x. We need to change this f of x into x. That's all. So g of x equals 3x. The bigger slope means the steeper line. So g of x is steeper than f of x. G of x equals 1 over 3 f of x. F of x equals x. So g of x equals 1 over 3x. Check the slope. We know the apparent function slope is 1. This slope equals 1 over 3. 1 over 3 less than 1. So g of x is less steep than f of x. Red line is the parent function. Blue line is y equals 3x. You could say y equals 3x is steeper than y equals x. Now compare y equals x and y equals 1 over 3x. You could see this green line. It's less steep than f of x. Go to 3. G of x equals negative f of x minus 3. So g of x equals negative x minus 3. Let's go to calculator. Y equals negative x minus 3. Check this y-intercept. We got lower y-intercept. Then the slope will be changed into negative 2. So g of x has a lower y-intercept than f of x. Also the slope is changed into negative. Question 4. G of x equals f of x plus 3, which means g of x equals x plus 3. Y equals x plus 3. You could see g of x has a higher y-intercept than parent function. Also, f of x is shifted up 3 units to get g of x. So g of x has a higher y-intercept than f of x. In other words, f of x is shifted up 3 units. Now let's go to some examples. We are given these 2 graphs, f and g. Which function is best represented by graph of g? You could say, compared to this f of x, g of x is less steep than f of x. In other words, parent function slope is 1. This slope is less than 1. Therefore, answer is B. You can use Desmos to check transformation. Type in the parent function, which is very important. You have to know the parent function. It's a linear function or quadratic function. This is a linear function. F of x equals x. Now, check A. G of x equals f of x minus 4. These two graphs are not the same, so A is wrong. Let's check B. G of x equals 1 divided by 3 f of x. You could say these two graphs are the same, so B is the solution. Let's go to example 2. Linear parent function f is graphed here, which is f of x equals x. Which graph best represent h of x equals negative f of x plus 3. Now go to Desmos. H of x equals negative f of x plus 3. Then compare the graphs. You could say G is the solution.